Why chili is hot? Chili is one of the most popular spices used in cooking around the world, but why is it so hot? The answer lies in the active compound known as capsaicin, the molecule responsible for the heat in chilies. In this video, we'll look at what makes chilies hot, how capsaicin works, and why it's important to understand why chilies are so hot. What makes chilies hot? Chilies are hot because of the capsaicin molecule present in them. Capsaicin is a naturally occurring compound found in chili peppers, and it's what gives them their heat. The molecule is an alkaloid, which means it's an organic compound made up of atoms of carbon, hydrogen, and nitrogen. Capsaicin is present in the membranes of the chili pepper, and it's the molecule responsible for the heat. When the pepper is eaten, the capsaicin is released, and it binds to receptors in the mouth, tongue, and throat. This is what causes the heat sensation. The hotter the chili pepper, the more capsaicin it contains. How capsaicin works? Capsaicin works by binding to the TRPV1 receptor, which is a protein found in the nerve cells of the body. When capsaicin binds to the receptor, it triggers a reaction that causes pain and inflammation. This is why eating a chili pepper can cause a burning sensation in the mouth or throat. The TRPV1 receptor is important for regulating the body's temperature, and it's also responsible for mediating pain and inflammation. Capsaicin is an agonist of the TRPV1 receptor, which means it activates the receptor, leading to the sensations of pain and heat. The more capsaicin present in a chili, the hotter it will be. There are a variety of chili peppers, ranging from mild to extremely hot. The heat level is measured using the Scoville scale, which ranges from 0 to 16 million. Bell peppers have a Scoville rating of 0, while ghost peppers are at the top end of the scale with a rating of 16 million. Why it's important to understand why chilies are so hot. Understanding why chilies are so hot is important for a few reasons. Firstly, it helps us to understand the biology behind the heat. Knowing how capsaicin works and why it causes the burning sensation can help us to better understand the science behind the spice. It also helps us to understand how to handle chilies safely. Eating a chili pepper that is too hot can be an unpleasant experience, and it can also be dangerous. Knowing why chilies are so hot can help us to identify which chilies are milder, and which ones are hotter, so we can make sure we don't eat something that is too hot. Finally, understanding why chilies are so hot can help us to appreciate their unique flavor. The heat of the chili pepper is an important part of its flavor, and understanding why it's so hot can help us to appreciate the complexity of chili peppers. Conclusion. So, why is chili hot? The answer lies in the capsaicin molecule present in chili peppers. Capsaicin binds to the TRPV1 receptor, triggering a reaction that causes pain and inflammation. The hotter the chili pepper, the more capsaicin it contains, and the higher its rating on the Scoville scale. Understanding why chilies are so hot can help us to better appreciate their unique flavor and ensure we handle them safely.